Okay.
Very good.
Do not bear false witness.
Oh, God. Re.
Kita mo tong kasal ni Karen sa YouTube? Karena sa YouTube kasal niya, binatangan. Sakit sa Pilipinas. Ha?
Helicopter sa
Sa Las Vegas? Karena sa YouTube, bro. Karena sa YouTube. Yung nila ni Karen. Sa helikopter. Minister, kan sila ang mga asawa.
Pastor Vic.
Pilot.
Thank you gid sa imong islander nga mga sleepers ha. 80 ka bilog tong ipadala mo.
Buto nung title ito, ha?
What are you talking about?
Isa ko lang ang tanong isa.
Brother Boyet, thank you very much for inviting us to your beautiful home. Say something.
YouTube na, kung ano
YouTube yan,
tatlo ka take, 5 ka take.
Ako na ni siya.
No comment, no comment.
Delikado na yung
Si Brother Reggie.
Ano na yan to?
Si Brother Reggie mapa USA nanti anytime. No, solo time.
American show po yung
Kung gusto nyo magkasal, kuha lang ang mo lisensya kay Norman Hulagay.
Malisensya lang yan.
Kung gusto nyo sermon kada Sabado kay Pastor Florante Siopan. Kung gusto nyo damo nga itlog, kag may upod nga bulalo, si Dr. Navarro Robin. Ayan.
advertising yun YouTube.
Okay.
Yun si Big Moro, yung artista. Big Moro. Kasi hindi na ako Dr. Bulala kasi actually, ang tawag sa akin, Dr. Bonnie Maro. Dr. Bonnie Maro. Kaya ako nang pumalit Dr. Bonnie Maro.
Kung gusto nyo naman videographer, si Pons Lizares. Oh, ayan, ayan. Pag mga magagandang wives, ayun sila. Ayan. Si Dr. Lenny Santibanez in the future. Si Mrs. Olagay. Si Mrs. Siopan. Beautiful wife of Dr. Navarro. Si Mrs. Pines Lizares, si Mrs. Cora Ko, the wife of Pastor Ko, Vic. Hindi ko kilala yung isa, hindi ko kilala. Ayan ang kababata kong kaibigan. How many years na kaming magkaibigan? 45 years na. Engineer Heno Ong. Oh. Ewan ko kung anong charts niya ngayon. Oh. Thank you gid kay Sister Girly Gibara Oychat sa masarap. We are now in the beautiful home of Boyet and Girly Oychat. Ayan. Ayan. Attorney Herbie, say something about your homecoming sa Bacolod.
I miss the place.
Yeah, that's Attorney Herbie Navarro, the handsome son of Dr. Robin Navarro. And Roland, his older brother. They went back to Manila in, what year was that? 1992? Right. So, say something, Mr. Rodalipon, about your 40 years wedding anniversary.
Okay man to.
Happy man to kaya ka mo eh.
Anong secret mo sa 40 years? Long
Secret one model lang. Kung si Ford pa, one model lang. Model T.
Yet, what's your secret behind your physical fitness?
Organic food,
Wow.
no stress.
Okay. How about Dr. Navarro? What's your secret behind your financial success and spiritual success?
Because the Lord said, so that you may live long the land, and I'm going to give you to possess a land flowing with milk and honey.
Very good. And Pastor Flor Chopin?
Well, it is God's will that I am doing His work.
Yeah, he is over 70 already,
73.
but he is still pastoring a church in Western Visayas. But the main headquarters is in Bacolod. Amen. Thank you.
Oh, yung iba.
And that's Girly Oichat. Thank you very much for your hospitality, Girly.
Welcome.
And for your beautiful home. Okay. This is Laureate, courtesy of Boyet and Girly. Okay. So, why na kamo sikreto nga hindi magwa sa YouTube? International na ni. Amen. Okay. Okay.
Hindi ko na ikuha yung kondisyon.
That's Boyet. Maybe in Europe.
Gaway ka man nag-isa.
May partner si Boyet nga Dutch. Okay.